Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. So in this video, let's take a look at the lifestyle of Xzibit. Now, I know a lot of my people watching this may not know who Xzibit is. Xzibit was a rapper like in the 90s, early 2000s. He was quite good. He was from the West Coast, but then, he kind of grew up, which is great. He started hosting. He hosted a show on MTV called Pimp My Ride. He is an actor now. He is like all these different things. That is my version of glowing up. So let's take a look at where Xzibit calls home. So Xzibit just listed his home on the market for $3.8 million. Now this home is located in Porter Ranch, a suburban neighborhood in the northwest San Fernando Valley region of Los Angeles. It is sitting behind a guarded gate in the exclusive community of West Cliff. Let's take a look at this gorgeous home already. I love the fact that his home is located like in a real neighborhood, not some really palatial celebrity thing that, the houses are 5 miles apart. That's cool. So this home welcomes its guest with an elegant entryway, as you can see here, which features a really impressive chandelier. It's really a modern type home decor style that he has. I love the double mirrors on the side, really opens this space up just a bit, and also the tile on the floor. As you can see, there are larger pieces of tile. I'm trying to look and see the measurement. I can't really tell. And I also can't tell if that's a rug or an inlay in the middle of the floor. But if you want to make a space feel more luxurious, opt for larger tiles. Now moving into the family room, you can see that there is plenty of space, lots of top-of-the-line luxurious finishes, and of course a beautiful fireplace. Now also, as you can see, there are large sliding doors that really open up to make the room an indoor-outdoor type room. And that is going to make the space seem even larger, even though it's a fairly large room already. And it's also going to allow a lot of light to come in. With such a seamless indoor-outdoor transition, Xzibit's house is just really California living at its best. It lets its guests and residents enjoy the sunshine and beautiful weather from both the inside and outside the home. So now taking a look at this beautiful chef's kitchen, as you can see, most, if not all of your appliances are going to be in a beautiful stainless steel finish. You have pendant lighting coming down, and I love the fact that the kitchen actually opens to a separate prep kitchen. Of course, the waterfall island with your bar stools, and it looks large enough to where you can actually work in this kitchen. The dining room opens up to the outdoor area where there are several lounging and sitting areas, and where guests can really just dine al fresco. Now, I have to say, I absolutely love this dining room. Perfect example of indoor-outdoor dining or living, I guess I can say. And when I say, you guys, I look at a ton of homes daily. This is probably one of my favorite dining rooms. Now, I live in Oklahoma, as I've told you guys several times. I don't think I could do it here just because we get so much inclement weather, snow, rain, ice, whatever. This is gorgeous. Imagine having family and friends over and stringing lights up there or fairy lights around the side. This is one of my favorite rooms, probably top 10 ever. A really impressive curved staircase with wine storage tucked underneath it leads us upstairs, where we will find an additional lounge and all of the 5 bedrooms in the home. Speaking of, I don't know if I stated it before, this home has a total of 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 5,710 square feet. His large primary suite has a double-sided gas fireplace, a sitting area, and a perfect view deck overlooking the valley lights. The outdoor area is just as equally impressive as the home itself. It features a glistening pool with a swim-up bar, a hot tub with a fire pit, and a water feature. There's also a water feature located at the front of the home. You also are going to have ample seating, flat screens, and an outdoor kitchen. Okay, now also in these celebrity home videos, I'm going to show you the room that I love the most, and this was no shock. It should be no shock to anyone. I love this room. If I could have this room, trust me, I would have it. Alright guys, so this has been Xzibit's home. If you are interested in this home, it's on sale currently for $3.85 million. Let me know, is this a home that you all like? Do you see yourself living here? Let me know in the comment section. I am so interested in hearing from you all. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.